Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can insert one document into another document in Microsoft Word. I have these two documents. For example, let me open the first one. That is the text in the first document. Let's see the text in the doc 1, double click on it. That is the text in the second document. If you want to insert text of the doc 2 to this document, just put cursor here. For example, I want insert text to here. Then from insert, here we have objects, text from file, desktop. This one is doc 1. It's written here. I want bring text of doc 2. Select this one. Insert. Directly the text comes to here. If you get benefit from this video, please like it, leave a comment and subscribe. That's all. Have a nice time.